It is the typical East Tennessee rolling hills. There's certain places that we have views of the Smokies from. There's something about going to the top of the hill and looking down and seeing the cows picking and hearing the birds. So refreshing and rewarding. We're here at Simpson Farms in Athens, Tennessee. This is a 7-generation family farm that I grew up on. My brother and I operate the farm. We focus on raising quality Angus cattle. My great-grandfather was John Simpson. He settled here in 1888. Started out with a dairy operation that my dad grew up with, milked cattle until the late 60s. The milk production was very high, and so there was a lot of small dairymen that went out of business, and so he shifted from dairy operation to a beef operation. That's where I grew up and we are today. We still have the original spring house back in the day before they had electricity, where they used to keep all their dairy products cool. It's still in play. It's a beautiful spring that we take a great pride in protecting, and we want to continue to do that. We've had many days working cattle where we ended that day by jumping in the spring and cooling off, and it's very, very, very rewarding, very relaxing. Simpson Meats was formed in 2012 with the whole idea of being able to take our beef directly to the consumer. We know genetically where the beef's coming from, and one of the big things that I remember my grandfather always pushing was quality. So quality is a word that we use a lot in the marketing of our beef today that we carried forward with us from many years ago. We're very proud of being able to provide to them directly a sourced, verified beef with a quality, consistent product.
Jim Simpson, he's a hardworking guy. He's our idea man. He's thinking of ways that we can branch out and provide even more quality to our community around us. Hard work's just kind of in his blood. The guy never stops. I think he's just kind of the heartbeat and the energy to the operation, keeps us going.
I grew up with Jim Simpson's oldest son. Grew up going to the farm with him, camping and going up there and helping out whenever I had free time. Got drawn back into helping out after college.
We're first and foremost a butcher shop here in West Knoxville, Tennessee, providing our community with some fresh and quality cuts of beef. Big part of our business is actually our online e-commerce store. So we bring in our primal loins from our processor up in Kentucky. Our 2 butchers here cut everything in-house, cut every order to order, and we ship them out of our facility here to customers all over the U.S. We also provide wholesale meats to restaurants in Knoxville and Nashville.
We differentiate ourselves by being antibiotic, hormone-free, and care certified. We believe that those are the steps that it takes to bring quality to the table. Raising the animals the right way, treating the farm with respect, we think brings forth the best product that customers have grown to love.
There's very few customers we don't have some type of interaction with on a phone call. We're old school, and people are able to speak with us to learn more about our programs. We have a 100% satisfaction guarantee on anything we ship or anybody picks up.
So since we supply grocery stores and restaurants, we have a USDA inspected cut room. So we have an agent here 5 days a week. She comes in and checks on everything, making sure we're clean. This was just all an empty warehouse. They built out all these coolers and freezers. And the restaurant's the same way. They did most of the work out there. There's a bunch of walnut all over the walls, and it's all from the farm. Cool connection with everything.
The overall idea, concept of the Walnut Kitchen is farm to table. Coming from the farm, being grown locally, the quality of the meat that I get from Simpson's Meats is one of the best I've seen in quite some time. Straight from the cattle, straight from the farm, straight to the butcher, straight to my restaurant. You can tell by the color of the meat, you can tell by the marbling of the meat, and you can also tell in the cooking process how we do it, because we normally just cook with regular just salt and pepper, and then when it comes to your table, it is hot, lathered in butter and rosemary, and then it's literally just a pork tender cut. Beautiful.
The local products, people just seem to love, and where they can come and support that small family farm.
A lot of people refer to East Tennessee as God's country, and it's that for us. It's so rewarding. It's a sense of accomplishment on everything we do here.